Hey there, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the new Beats Studio Buds. The Studio Buds are all about sound and have some great features like custom-built drivers, active noise canceling and transparency mode, and ergonomic design and compatibility with both iOS and Android devices. Coming up in this video, we'll check the Beats out, take a look inside the box, and we'll even show you how to set them up. The Beats Studio Buds are optimized for a clear and balanced sound. The foundation that helps deliver this great sound are the custom-built dual-element drivers. These drivers were purpose-built to manage the complexities of active noise cancellation while delivering greater dynamic range and reducing distortion. The Studio Buds feature custom active noise canceling technology. The mics inside the Studio Buds can measure the surrounding noise levels to adjust noise cancellation in louder environments. And with the press of the multifunction button, you can activate transparency mode, which delivers on demand the natural sounds of your environment so you can hear the world around you. The Beats Studio Buds' efficient 5-gram design can deliver both a powerful sound and a stable and secure fit. And with their unique laser-cut micro-venting hole, they help reduce pressure on the eardrum to enable comfortable, long-term listening. Each earbud has up to 8 hours of listening time, with 2 additional charges provided by its pocket-sized charging case to give you up to 24 hours of combined playback. Opening the box, you've got the new Beats Studio Buds, extra ear tips, documentation, and charging cable. The Beats Studio Buds offer one-touch pairing on Apple and Android devices. Here's how you set it up. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your phone. Hold your Studio Buds near your phone and open the case, but be sure to make sure you leave your buds inside. Just look for the Beats Studio Buds pop-up and select them to pair. The new, affordable Beats Studio Buds are now available at T-Mobile. For more information, visit your favorite T-Mobile store or go online to T-Mobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.